Grab your pen, grab your workbook. Let's get started on our daily sketch. Today, let's try a simple curl, which is almost a spiral, but it doesn't come completely around and it only goes in once. So instead of looping multiple times in there, we're just gonna loop once. Of course, you can get fancy, doesn't matter. Try to go to both sides of the stem there, and we're just gonna meander all the way around. With log cabin quilts, typically you have a secondary design, so your pattern may depend on that secondary design. I'm just gonna travel in kind of a spiral clockwise direction, and I'll enter my stitching here at the bottom of the dark area, and I'm not worried about seam lines. I just want to get the feel of traveling around. And this is a good design to kind of meander, very forgiving as to the space that you use. So you could make really small, detailed curls. And I am filling up this dark area first, and then making my curls a little bit bigger as I go around. Again, not worrying about the seam lines, just getting that flow, and then travel into the center. And back out. If you don't travel right along the same path, it starts looking like little leaves, you know, those fall curls, or just the little bits of flowers that fall off. And if you notice that you've got a blank area, you can fill that in. Repetition is key with these free motion quilting designs. Filling in all the areas of our block and practicing that basic shape.
I love show and tell. Please share your designs with the hashtag SketchTimber, and I'll be sure to check it out. If you'd like to see my free motion quilting in a whole quilt, check out Sue's stitch story in the video below. You can download a workbook to follow along with this 30-day sketch series. Find that at www.truebluequilts.com. Happy sketching, and I'll see you in the next video.